Hi guys, so we are going to learn the ninth letter, D, which is like the English D as in dog, third dot. It does not connect from the back and only has two forms, which is a good thing. I think it's easy to learn. So the first from the alone form, dada, father, ders, class, like I think it's from Arabic, tutar, it's a music instrument. The second form, umid, it's hope, and qaldi, like someone did, like she or he did, like build them, like build them. So you can see it here. Second form, and the other one, I'm gonna teach like more. Okay, so 11th word, 11th letter. It is also similar to the English R, re, but rolls more like R in Spanish, re. Listen carefully how I say it, re. And again, it does not connect from back and only has two forms. Sorry. Yes, only has two forms. Re, and then the first form, let's make an example. Rana, a female name. Brazil, evil, radio. And the second form, Irish, melt, and kirmek, enter. Right, so you can see it here. So second form. One more, Irish, give. So 12th letter. Let's learn 3 letters today. J. It's J. 12th letter is not in the English language, so this doesn't exist in English language, but though there's a little similar to like sh at times, it's more from the throat and the little harsher. Listen carefully to how I say it. But this sound is, I think, it's like mostly appear in a foreign or borrowed words. Like maybe Russian. Actually, this does not seem to be an original sound or letter of Uyghur, but we use it for foreign words, and it does not connect from back again, so it has only two forms. Sorry, three dots. There's 3 dots. Again, it has okay. I just want to make it. Again, it has like 2 forms, right? Je, journal, or like régisseur, like gajgush. Like, well, this is like a sound word because it does not mean anything. I think it's like when you cook something, like gajgush. And the other je, régisseur, so yeah, I think it's in foreign words, so it's really hard for me to find another example, but you will see it in future time. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for listening. So it's de re je. Again, it doesn't have back connecting form. Important note: it does not. The 3 of them doesn't have back connecting forms. Only have 2 forms. So that's it. And I hope you can find more je for this from foreign word. And yeah. Alright then, thank you. Bye.